Hey guys, Cutterup Rob here. This is a question, I guess, for you guys that are watching the channel and that aren't subscribed. I was looking at my analytics, which I don't really know that much about that stuff, but I was looking at my analytics and I see that it's like 18% of guys that are watching, or people, I shouldn't say guys, people that are watching the channel are subscribed. And I was just curious if anybody knew, or for the guys that aren't subscribed, if it's something that I'm doing, or if you guys aren't finding value in what I'm doing, or I don't know what the reason for it is. I'm just curious. Let me know down in the comments if you're subscribed or not. And if you're not subscribed and you want to let me know why you're not subscribed, let me know. I'm just curious if it's something, maybe it's something that I don't have, that that I'm not doing right, or I just thought it was weird. I thought it would have been the other way around. I figured it would have been, like a considerable amount more that were subscribed versus not subscribed. And I'm no expert in the YouTube land by any stretch of imagination. And I'm a mechanic. I'm not even really like, you guys would laugh if you've seen the setup that I have for filming. I have a GoPro with a tool charger taped to the thing that I hold. It's funny, like this is my, this is how I edit my videos, is with my, like on my phone. There's my tripod. I use a Hero, what is it? A Hero 8 Black is what I use. Here, I'll take a picture. I'll insert the picture. This is what my rig looks like. And it's like literally I don't even know what, it's a Matco thing, but you can plug a USB into it. But anyways, I was just curious what the reason for guys not subscribing, and maybe that's always like that in channels. If you guys have a channel, let me know what your subscriber base is, because I was just curious. Thought that was weird. I thought it would be the other way around. I figured the guys that were watching would be subscribed, because people that I watch I subscribe to. Maybe I'm the odd one. Maybe most people don't do that. But anyways, not going to make this video any longer. It has to be. Let me know down in the comments if you want. If you don't want to, either way, we'll catch you on the next one.